Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and you have any of the following codes. I'm talking about code P2135 or code P2138. Stay with us, we'll explain what can cause that. It could be multiple things, so make sure you stay until the end. Most of you may not even think about one of those things, but we're going to explain what it is. Super simple, and it may not cost you any money to fix it as well. Another thing guys, if you, many of you constantly ask me in the comment section below which computer we use for diagnostics, so we're going to share that information and how it can pay itself off in one-time use practically. So let's continue now. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically 2013 Hyundai Sonata guys. Now let's explain, okay, what can cause that. These codes, guys, okay, these codes. The number one reason that you need to look for, guys, okay, is problem with the throttle body, throttle pedal system. Now, the number one thing that can cause this code, okay, is you need to come to your throttle pedal, the accelerator pedal. Okay, trying to fit myself here, this one. Now, you can see that's the sensors right there that detects how much that pedal is pressed. From there guys, when you press it, it's going to tell the engine computer, okay, to open the throttle body. So the engine computer knows how many percent you press the gas, so it can adjust fuel, air and all that stuff. Now, if that pedal is malfunctioning, okay, you can get any of these codes. If the wiring harness is unplugged, broken, not working correctly, you can get these codes guys. That's number one reason, malfunctioning pedal. If you want to see how to test that pedal, we have a special video on the channel that explains how to test it in just a few minutes, how to test throttle position sensor on Hyundai Sonata. So video will be on our channel guys, please check it out. But what else can cause that? Okay, this is guys the engine computer that we use. Before we continue, I want to explain a little bit about that. Many of you constantly ask me which computer we use. This one here guys. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing too guys. And it can pay itself off in one-time use. Hyundai, right here. You can access every computer in your car. You can read the lead codes. And you can also guys see live data for every computer. So you can do quite a bit of diagnostic works. Now, with that being said, we said the number one reason could be a bad accelerator pedal. Number two guys, it could be, okay, the connector going to the throttle body or a damaged wire. Now, it's super close to the radiator fan. What we recommend, always have the car battery disconnected when working here. And on these modern vehicles, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, okay, you can cause damage to the electrical systems, computers, modules, and that can be super expensive. We have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now, if guys the wiring harness checks out, okay, what else to look for? It could be bad throttle body, okay, or it could be guys just a dirty sticking throttle body. Check this thing out now, okay, that's the throttle body right here guys, okay, and you can see the difference between cleaned and not cleaned. Okay, if you want to see how to clean it in just a few minutes, the video is on our channel, how to clean throttle body on Hyundai Sonata. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that. But number one thing, check and test your accelerator pedal. Number two, check the wiring harness, connectors, and then try cleaning the throttle body or replace the throttle body in the pedal guys, and that should take care of the problem. If that's not taking care of the problem, it could be even a bad computer. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.